The medical superintendent of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jenims, Porompat, Professor N. Jitendra, informed that 153 individuals have been so far tested positive for Japanese encephalitis at Jenims, while 36 patients are undergoing treatment at the hospital. He told Tom TV that 5 individuals have so far succumbed to the disease since the outbreak in the state. Mohammad Azhar Ali, a class 12 student of Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School, has attempted to enter the Guinness World Record in knuckle cracking at the school campus. He attempted the record by cracking 80 times continuously in 56 seconds. Mohammad Azhar Ali is the son of Mohammad Latif Ali and Rehmani Begum from Lilong, Haurebi, Makhalekai. Fit India movement launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today was kick-started in Jiribam district. An event was held at Jiribam's JEO and DYASO at the premises of Jirighat High School in the presence of Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam, Mayang Lambam Rajkumar Singh, IAS, Superintendent of Police Jiribam, M. Mubi Singh, Manipur Police, ZEO Jiribam L. Roshan Meite, along with students and faculty members of the school. Fit India movement was also launched at the conference hall of Jiribam Municipal Council and Jiribam Higher Secondary School. The first ever Northeast Female Farmers Project was launched at ICAR Lamphel today. The project was launched by Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal, ICAR Research Complex for Northeastern Hill Region Manipur Center Lamphel to empower women farmers through income generation, agriculture and allied activities for economical independency. Following days of restrictions, mobile phone services have been resumed in 5 districts of Jammu region. Starting Wednesday night, the services were restored in Doda, Kishwar, Ramdan, Rajouri and Poonch districts. The services were suspended across Jammu and Kashmir on August 5, in view of security concerns in the region following Centre's decision to abrogate Article 370. Defending restrictions on the use of mobile phones and internet, Jammu and Kashmir Governor Satyapal Malik had said that the curve had been imposed as these facilities were abused as a weapon against the country and mostly exploited by terrorists to mobilize the people.